expensive, but it's really good.
Well, he's a mechanic for engines.
So he wouldn't do all this. I gotta take it to
A boatyard, a general services guy.
yeah.
But I can see that yellow tag, that's the overpressure relief valve that's leaking water. And it's leaking pretty quickly. And it's making a puddle down there on that plywood platform, which will eventually rot away. And I'm going to bet that's where that inch worth of water in your bilge is coming from. So you can see it leaking right there. So that'll be an easy fix with one exception. That is not a household pressure relief valve. That's a special marine pressure relief valve because the pressure is a higher pressure for a higher temperature. So let me play with it. Do you want me to tickle it, see what it does? It might get worse, it might get better. Get all of me in here. Where is it at? Okay, I opened it by hand and closed it by hand. I don't know if I fixed it or not. Let's try it again. And of course it's hot and it burned my fingers, but not too bad. Nope, it's looking the same or maybe a little bit worse.
Should we put this bucket down underneath it? Or?
No, because it'll get filled up. The only thing you can do is, yep. So it's just an old age, non-use type of leak. That'll be an easy repair for the guy to make. We can take a picture of your water heater. Use your smartphone to get a picture of it right there with the name, the serial number and everything. But that's where the water leak is in the bilge. I'm hoping. And everything's in that convenient little cubby hole where my body won't fit.